test your knowledge about Guinness World Records. Let's start. What is the Guinness World Record for the most likes on a Facebook page? The most likes on a Facebook page is 172.82 millions and was achieved by Facebook app as verified on 23 March 2022. What is the Guinness World Record for the fastest time to travel to all 7 continents? The fastest time to travel to all 7 continents is 3 days, 1 hour, 5 minutes and 4 seconds and was achieved by Sujoy Kumar Mitra and Dr. Ali Irani. Both are Indian. What is the Guinness World Record for the most expensive man-made object? The most expensive man-made object is the International Space Station ISS. Its final cost will be over 100 billion USD. What is the Guinness World Record for the most goals in a single FIFA World Cup tournament? The most goals scored by an individual player in a World Cup Finals tournament is 13 goals and achieved by Just Fontaine from France in 1958 in Sweden. What is the Guinness World Record for the fastest haircut? The fastest haircut is 47.17 seconds and was achieved by Konstantinos Koutopis in Greece on 19th February 2017. What is the Guinness World Record for the largest collection of banknotes? The largest collection of banknotes belong to Wissam Ali Youssef from Lebanon with a total of 12,282 different banknotes as of 2nd October 2019. What is the Guinness World Record for the tallest man ever in the world? Tallest man ever in the world is Robert Pershing Wadlow from USA, who when last measured on 27 June 1940 was found to be 2.72 meter tall. What is the Guinness World Record for the most shocks removed blindfolded in 1 minute? The most shocks removed blindfolded in 1 minute is 70 and was achieved by David Rush from Greece on 29th January 2019. What is the Guinness World Record for the largest online music store? The world's largest online music store is Apple's iTunes Store, which by October 2011 had sold over 16 billion songs for digital download. What is the Guinness World Record for the most socks owned on 1 foot simultaneously? The most socks owned on 1 foot simultaneously is 184 and was achieved by Kamil Kulik from Poland on 6th September 2016. What is the Guinness World Record for the most expensive potato sold at auction? The most expensive potato is sold at auction in France for 3,050 USD in April 1996. The successful bidder took 4.5 kg of potatoes home with him, worth approximately $50 each. What is the Guinness World Record for the largest collection of professional wrestling championship belts? The largest collection of professional wrestling championship belts is 45 and was achieved by Jordan Bragasa from USA in Rising Sun, Indiana, USA on 29 July 2022. What is the Guinness World Record for the most expensive tree? The highest price ever paid for a tree is 51,000 USD for a single Starkspur Golden Delicious apple tree from near Yakima, Washington, USA, bought by a nursery in 1959. What is the Guinness World Record for the largest collection of Pisco bottles? The largest collection of Pisco bottles consists of 2022 items and achieved by Johnny Schooler from Peru on 30 August 2022. What is the Guinness World Record for the most expensive cow sold at auction? The most expensive cow sold at auction is 4.38 million USD, named Viatina 19 FIB Mara, in an auction in Arando, São Paulo, Brazil, as of 1st July 2023. What is the Guinness World Record for the highest dam in the world? The highest dam in the world is the Jinping 1 Dam in Sichuan, China, sitting across the Yalong River, reaches 305 meter height. What is the Guinness World Record for the largest collection of Mickey Mouse memorabilia? The largest collection of Mickey Mouse memorabilia consists of 12,377 items and was achieved by John Bartenstein from USA on 13 March 2018. What is the Guinness World Record for the most trees planted by a team in 1 hour? The most trees planted by a team in 1 hour is 331,929 and was achieved by the Forest Department, Government of Assam in Dibrugarh, Assam, India on 15th September 2023. What is the Guinness World Record for the most football touches with the head in 1 minute by a female? The most football touches with the head in 1 minute by a female is 206 and was achieved by Laura Biondo from Venezuela on 18th July 2013. What is the Guinness World Record for the longest time spent inside a bubble? The longest time spent inside a bubble is 1 minute 2.92 seconds and was achieved by Iran Baklar Aka, the Highland Joker, and Lauren Baklar, both from UK, on 22nd December 2018.